Verifying your identity and address. To further secure your account, you will also need to share with us your proofs of identity and address. Doing this helps us protect your account and ensure that you have a secure trading experience. Identity verification. To verify your identity, you can upload any valid proof of identity, such as your passport, driver's license, identity card, or any other official identification document. Address verification. To verify your address, please upload any document containing your registered address and dated within the last 3 months, such as your electricity bill, internet bill, or bank account statement. And that's it. If you have any trouble at all, simply contact us via live chat, WhatsApp, or email, info-mu@hmarkets.com. Hantec Markets. Trade better.